Japan, the land of the rising sun, famous for cherry blossoms, Mount Fuji, and its unique culture. However, this country is also facing a serious problem: the rapid surge of wild boars. The dense forests and rugged terrain have unintentionally become a paradise for these creatures. They invade farmlands, ravage crops, and cause severe damage to farmers. Dense bamboo forests serve as the perfect sanctuary for wild boars in Japan. They weave through the sturdy bamboo stalks, enjoying the abundant food supply and natural cover. Yet, amidst this untouched beauty, a silent battle is unfolding. Felled bamboo trunks lie chaotically, obstructing my path as I pursue my target. Sweat drips down my face as I push through the rugged terrain, moving toward my prey hiding above. Then, the critical moment arrives. The wild boar is perfectly positioned within my sights. Without hesitation, I pull the trigger. The gunshot rings out, and the bullet flies straight to its mark, taking the boar down instantly. Its hefty body rolls a few times before coming to a complete stop, a swift and decisive end. Deep in the dense forest, the eerie silence is broken only by the crunching of dry leaves under my footsteps. In this battlefield, only highly trained hunting dogs can track down the prey. Wild boars, nature's cunning predators, can hide in the shadows or charge at any moment. I tread cautiously, each step deliberate, as if walking on the edge of cliff. The terrain is steep and slippery. One wrong move could cost me my life. Suddenly, the hunting dogs bark furiously, signaling danger ahead. My heart pounds as I rush downhill. Fallen branches create natural obstacles, hindering my every step. My breath quickens, and I tighten my grip on my weapon. Then, three dark figures burst out of the underbrush. Without delay, I raise my gun, hold my breath, and pull the trigger. A precise shot echoes through the air. We continue tracking down the remaining ones. The thunderous gunshots shatter the stillness of the forest. Each shot marks another victory, with wild boars falling one by one. Higher up, the snow has yet to fully melt, leaving patches of white scattered across the ground. Following the trail, I crouch low, ready to strike. Then, from the dense bushes below, a heavy shadow lunges forward like an arrow. Without hesitation, I pull the trigger. The gunshot booms. Instead of fleeing, the boar charges straight at the hunting dog. But the bullet has already pierced deep into its body, causing it to let out a final roar before collapsing. I cautiously approach, holding my breath, then raise my gun. A second, decisive shot rings out. The once mighty destroyer is now nothing but a lifeless carcass. Before leaving, the hunter bows to the forest, a gesture of gratitude to Mother Nature. For in the cycle of survival, whether hunter or prey, all are part of the same eternal balance. On the way back, just when we thought the journey had ended, we encountered another unfortunate boar. This time, there was no escape. It was taken away, marking another victory in our battle against this invasive species. Aside from firearms, the Japanese employ a more sophisticated and humane method: foot snare traps. This controlled method of capturing wild boars is strictly regulated, requiring legal permits due to its impact on the ecosystem. Once subdued, the hunter drags it out of the forest, marking the end of the hunt.
Poultry farming has always been one of the industries with great potential in Asia. However, not everyone thinks of a special type of poultry originating from Africa that can help farmers earn millions of dollars each year. That is guinea fowl. With delicious meat quality, high nutritional content, and interesting wild habits, guinea fowl is gradually becoming an indispensable choice for those who want to find a new direction in the livestock industry. In today's video, please follow the process of caring for and harvesting guinea fowl. Let's get started. In the guinea fowl market, prices range from $5 to $10 per bird for breeders or small chickens. While for adult chickens sold for food, prices can go up to $20 to $30 per bird, depending on the species. Depends on the supply and quality. In some markets, the price of guinea fowl meat can be higher due to its specialty and rarity. Thanks to raising this type of chicken, farm owners earn millions of dollars each year. In Asia, guinea fowl are not as widely available as the other poultry such as chickens, ducks, or quails. However, they are becoming more popular in high-end restaurants or in rural areas where people want to try exotic and nutritious meat. Countries such as Vietnam, Thailand, China, and the Philippines have started small-scale guinea fowl farms, supplying the domestic market and customers looking for new culinary experience. But to have healthy guinea fowl flocks sold on time to ensure income from choosing breeds, building barns to raising methods, everything is taken into consideration. First is the selection of breeds. Choose healthy, well-developed birds. Guinea fowl coops need to be specially designed to meet their needs. In addition to ensuring that the chickens have a spacious playground, they must also design a suitable perch system. The perch will be a good place for them to sleep at night, and also a place where they can avoid enemies. In addition, the coop must be surrounded by nets to prevent the chickens from flying out. Guinea fowl are generally shy and easily frightened by loud noises, bright lights, and other environmental factors. Therefore, the coop should have wire mesh in the corners and a night lighting system to help the chickens feel more secure. The most important thing is still the nutritional regimen when taking care of guinea fowl. Pay attention to giving the chickens clean water and supplementing with vitamin C and some electrolytes. Note, on hot summer days, to increase the chicken's resistance, you need to provide more water. Regarding food, this breed of chicken does not eat industrial feed. They like to eat green vegetables and rice bran, corn, potatoes. With such characteristics, it will help the farm save a lot of costs and be convenient. Guinea fowl are raised mainly for their meat and eggs. They start laying in March and April and continue for about 8 months, then stop laying for a while to molt. Guinea fowl eggs should be collected daily and stored at a temperature of 17 to 20 degrees Celsius with a humidity of about 60%. Proper storage helps to increase the hatching rate and quality of the offspring. The remaining egg will be carefully selected and packaged for sale. Stewed with Chinese herbs, fried and steamed. Each dish has its own flavor, highlighted by the natural sweetness of the meat, making it different from regular chicken. Not only is guinea fowl meat delicious, it is also packed with nutritional value. It is rich in protein, vitamin B6, iron, and zinc, and is low in fat, making it a great choice for those looking to maintain their weight or improve their heart health. Thanks to its high nutritional content and well-known health benefits, guinea fowl meat is an ideal food source for a healthy diet. The video ends here. What do you think about today's topic? Comment below to let us know. If you are passionate about exploring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to watch all the interesting and exciting videos ahead. And now goodbye, and see you in the next video.